So let's say that you want to move these two recipes to the top and make them featured. We'll go back and find those recipes. Click featured, publish, and then we'll do that with this other one. See, the first one shows up top, and then we'll do this with Vizia. I think that's how you say it. There we go. Make it featured. And now they're gonna appear at the top as featured recipes. Let's say that you want to move this one ahead of this one. We can just go to that specific recipe and just save it. Now we have this one in front of this one. And that's how you can rearrange the order. Essentially, the most recently published one will appear at the top.